Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this TecNiq recessed mount, waterproof, red mini LED boat accent light. Now this is a mini LED accent light that'll provide a nice bright red light for your boat. So it's great for upgrading or replacing your area lights, step lights, underseat, engine compartment, and even walkway lighting. It has a nice clear high clarity lens which provides 90 degrees of lighting. Basically when you install this, the light will shine down 90 degrees. It is a sealed waterproof housing and lens unit, has an IP68 rating, and if you notice it is a clear lens over one red LED, and then you notice it has the black cover or mounting flange on it. Now at the end of this video I'm going to connect this light to some 12-volt power just to show you how bright the light is and the color of the light, but I first want to go over some of the features of the light. It's a premium LED, which is energy efficient, long-lasting, and vibration resistant. It is rated for up to 100,000 hours of operation, and they do use a military-grade construction of the circuit board, which means the urethane potting will give you better protection than the common epoxy potting. This is compatible with 12-volt DC systems, and it is a recessed mount installation, has the surface mount flange on it. Basically, it will require a 3/4 inch diameter hole, and then 2 screws to screw into the mounting flange here to hold it in place. The distance between those mounting holes center to center is 1 1/8 inches. Now this light will hardwire to your application, has 2 wires in your protective sheeting, a power and a ground wire, and the length of wire is about 7 inches. I'll give you the dimensions on this and then we're going to hook it up to some power. So if we do the length of it from one end to the other is 1 3/4 inches. The diameter from the very bottom to the very top is about 15/16 of an inch, and the total depth on it from the very front to the very back is about 15/16 of an inch. Input voltage on this is 9 volts to 14 volts. So what I'm going to do now is we'll go ahead and hook up our 12-volt power. Once we got it all hooked up, I'll go ahead and turn it on, and you'll be able to see the single red LED light up. Go ahead and turn off our overhead lights, and you can see that red LED gives off a nice bright wide lighting pattern. And as I mentioned, if you look, that's how it's going to be mounted, and if you look at it, it shoots the light down, so it's a 90-degree lighting. I do want to zoom out just to give you an idea of the area it lights up, and then we'll zoom back into place. Go ahead and turn on our overhead lights. We'll turn off our power. But that should do it for the review on this TecNiq recessed mount waterproof red mini LED boat accent light.